So here I'm using cerulean blue for the next marble and a cerulean blue band in the middle with overall a grey looking marble. Now I'm going to use black plus a little bit of white, or actually more of white and less of black, plus making it a little watery. I'm going to make this grey looking marble, light grey one. And black plus green I have mixed and I'm making the darker area, leaving the rim light grey, making it a darker semicircle. Okay, I did the whole thing darker. Now I'm using green plus yellow, that is emerald green plus yellow, and moving on to our next marble, the one which is at the bottom right, the dark blue one with green bands on it. That's what I'm painting, emerald green plus yellow. And I'm using sap green plus emerald green. You can change the shades. Basically the style of painting makes it look like marbles, so you can change the shades according to your own liking, even if it is a little different from the reference will do. Now I'm going to use ultramarine blue for my base. Make sure your green bands are dried up before you start this step. And I'm not going to paint the whole marble. I'm leaving the edges, the rim out, and painting a smaller semicircle inside of the marble. I'm going to use light grey, so my white is actually almost light grey in color now. So I'm using light grey color for the rim that remains, giving it a glass-like marble look.